We have just learned in 7 point the usage of may and might. Now we will do few sentences to practice whether we can fill in correctly the usage of may and might. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with may and might. May, might. May or might. Or may or might. The first sentence I have here is, I resigned, I resigned so that she dash get a job. Okay, and the second sentence, dash good fortune. Smile on you. Smile on you. Third one, he dash not go tomorrow unless you wanted. Unless you wanted. Fourth one, it dash rain later. Fifth one, she was not at home. She was not at home. She was not at home. I thought she dash be with her sister. We dash be lucky to see a tiger today. All right, that's all. Just 6 sentences. Now let's do together. Filling up with may or might. We're going to use either may or we can use might in filling up these blanks. Okay, I resigned so that she dash get a job. I resigned so that she might get. Okay, good. I resigned so that she might get a job. Dash good fortune, smile on a blessing, may May good fortune smile on you. Good. May good fortune smile on you. Next, he not go tomorrow. He might not. He might. He might not go tomorrow unless you want it. Then, it dash rain later. It may rain later. Good. It may rain later. She was not at home. I thought she might be. Good. I thought she might be with her sister. And finally, we dash be lucky. We might be lucky to see a tiger today. We might. We have learned to fill in with may or might. Let's look at the sentences here. Fill in the blanks with may or might. I resigned the job. I resigned the job. I resigned so that she might get a job. I resigned so that she might get a job. May good fortune smile on you. He might not go tomorrow unless you want it. It may rain later. She was not at home. I thought she might be with her sister. We might be able to see a tiger today. We might be lucky to see a tiger today. So now we've learned how to use may and might in sentences. The usage of may and might.